Hi children, welcome to GK class. Take your GK textbook. All take page number 15, Women Heroes. The rising number of female professionals in India over the last 2 decades is a marker of changing times. Many Indian women have done the nation proud. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വുമൺ ഹീറോസ് ആണ് പിക്ചറിലുള്ളത്. ക്ലൂ നോക്കിയിട്ട് അവർ ആരൊക്കെയാന്ന് എഴുതണം. MS സുബ്ബലക്ഷ്മി, റോമില താപ്പാർ, CS ലക്ഷ്മി, അരുന്ധതി ഭട്ടാചാര്യ, സുനിത നരൈൻ, ദീപിക പള്ളിക്കൽ, ബിന ലക്ഷ്മി, നെപ്രാം. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ഓപ്ഷൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, എ ബാങ്കർ. The first woman to become the chairperson of the State Bank of India in 2013. 2013 State Bank of Indiaയുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വുമൺ ചെയർപേഴ്സൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലേഡിയാണ്. Who is that? Arundhati Bhattacharya. Second question, co-founder of Control Arms Foundation of India and founder of Manipuri Women Gun Survivors Network was CNN Indian Hero of the Year 2011. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഇന്ത്യയിലെ കൺട്രോൾ ആംസ് ഫൗണ്ടേഷന്റെ കോ-ഫൗണ്ടറും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ മണിപ്പൂരി വുമൺ ഗൺ സർവൈവേഴ്സിന്റെ ഫൗണ്ടറും ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലേഡിയാണ് ബിന ലക്ഷ്മി നെപ്രാം. Bina Lakshmi Nepram. Third one, a well-known writer and environmentalist, currently Director General of the Center for Science and Environment, recipient of the Padma Shri in 2005. 2005 Padma Shri കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. Environmentalist ആണ്. Who is that? Sunita Narain. Sunita Narain. Fourth one of the most esteemed Indian historians, was awarded the prestigious Kluge Prize for Lifetime Achievement in the Study of Humanity in 2008. 2008 Humanity study prestigious Kluge Prize കിട്ടിയ ലേഡിയാണ്. Who is that? Romila Thapar. Romila Thapar. And fifth one, won the gold medal in the squash women's doubles event in 2014 Commonwealth Games. 2014 Commonwealth Games squash gold medal winner ആണ്. Recipient of the Padma Shri in 2014. 2014 Padma Shri recipient ആണ്. Who is that? Deepika Pallikal. A distinguished fiction writer in Tamil, founder and director of Sparrow, an NGO which achieves women's lives and their struggles. Tamil fiction writer ആണ്. സ്പാരോന്റെ ഫൗണ്ടറും ആണ് ഡയറക്ടറും ആണ്. Who is that lady? CS Lakshmi. A renowned exponent of Carnatic music, was the first musician to be awarded the Bharat Ratna, passed away in 2004. 2004 മരിച്ചു. ഭാരത് രത്ന വിന്നർ ആണ്. Who? MS Subbulakshmi. Write all answers in your textbook. Next, about India's space program. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, was set up in 1969 under the Department of Space. Over the years, India has made rapid strides in her space program. She has developed several satellite and sent missions to the moon and to Mars. How much do you know about India's space program? India's space program ne kurichulla question aanu. Pick the correct answer. What is the full form of MOM? What is the full form of MOM? Mars Orbiter Mission. Mars Orbiter Mission. Where is the Satish Dhawan Space Center located? Sriharikota. Satish Dhawan Space Center located Sriharikota. Which was the first meteorological satellite built by ISRO? Kalpana 1. First meteorological satellite built by ISRO is Kalpana 1. Which of this is an Indo-French satellite? Indo-French satellite mission for oceanographic studies. Oceanographic studies nu vendittulla Indo-French satellite edana? Saral. Answer Saral. What is the full form of ASLV? What is the full form of ASLV? Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. Augmented satellite launch vehicle. Who is regarded as the father of India's space program? Vikram Sarabhai. Who is regarded as the father of India's space program? Vikram Sarabhai. Which was the first satellite launched by India? Aryabhatta. Which was the first satellite launched by India? Aryabhatta. Okay. Next, on to June 2014, the 29th state of India, Telangana. India's 29th state is Telangana, was carved out of Andhra Pradesh. The state shares its borders with Maharashtra, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh. 2014 June 2nd ഇത് ഫോം ചെയ്തത് മഹാരാഷ്ട്ര, കർണാടക, ഛത്തീസ്ഗഡ് and ആന്ധ്ര പ്രദേശ് ആയിട്ട് ബോർഡർ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay. What is the capital of Telangana? Hyderabad. And capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. And area of Telangana is 1,12,077 square kilometer. And the area of Andhra Pradesh is 1,60,205 square kilometer. Population is 350.04. 350 lakhs in lakhs. And population of Andhra Pradesh is 496.7 lakhs. Density of population is 312 and density of Andhra Pradesh is 308. Literacy rate is 66.46%. Literacy, Saksharata. And Andhra Pradesh 67.66%. Main language in Telangana is Telugu and Andhra Pradesh also Telugu. Crops. Telangana crops, rice, maize, millets, chola, pulses. And crops in Andhra Pradesh is chili, groundnut, rice and millets. Industries, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology and IT. Industries in Andhra Pradesh, construction and infrastructure. Minerals found in Telangana, coal, limestone, bauxite and mica. And minerals in Andhra Pradesh, iron ore, barite, bauxite and manganese. Rivers flows in Telangana, Musi, Bhima, Krishna, Godavari. Rivers in Andhra Pradesh, Krishna and Godavari. Governor, who is the governor in Telangana? ESL Narasimhan. ESL Narasimhan. And governor of Andhra Pradesh is ESL Narasimhan also. Chief Minister of Telangana, K. Chandrasekhar Rao. And Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, N. Chandrababu Naidu. And place of interest. Avadate places, tourist places. Telangana ile Warangal Fort, 1000 Pillar Temple, Medak Cathedral, Domakonda Fort, Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve, Mahabubungar Kaundala Waterfall. And places of Andhra Pradesh, Amravati Stupa, Bora Caves, Kolleru Lake, Kursura Submarine Museum, Kondapalli Fort, and Rolapadu Wildlife Sanctuary. Rolapadu Wildlife Sanctuary and Srisailam Dam. Srisailam Dam. Tourist places are now there. Okay. Study. Thank you.